guys. So we're in the newer Deere. I think this one is 3 years old. And I'm going to tell you what I don't like about this newer John Deere. There's a couple of things. First of all, I don't like this computer display. And there is nothing wrong with it from a functional standpoint. I just don't like it. I don't like this computer stuff. I'm not a fan of it. I'd rather not have it. I like to have just needle gauges, regular switches to control whatever I have to do. Switches and knobs, that's what I like. The turn dial throttle is fine, but the number one thing I hate about this machine is the thumb. First of all, this thumb sucks to grab rocks. It sucks. The second thing I don't like about it is that, look, it's a push button. So you really cannot control it that well. I'm sorry, I got to put the machine in function. Okay, so you push this button, right, on the left thumb. So unless there is a switch on the computer panel, you can't feather. See that? You bang it. Now, again, I don't run this machine every day. This is my friend's machine. I'm just using it. But if you want to finesse the thumb, you can. But like I said, there might be a setting here I'm not aware of. If there is, you can let me know in the comments. I would love to know. But I don't like that at all. I like the older machine. It has the thumb wheel.